guys, welcome to my channel Skill Up English, and today is day 2 of learning English, and everyone has the same problem nowadays. They are afraid of talking in front of the camera. So here I am today to speak in front of you in English. Just speak, no matter how do you speak every day. Everyone has the same problem, I know that, but after completing your degree, then you will have to face interviews. Then what will you do? So keep practicing from today, no matter how do you practice and how do you start practicing. Don't need to make friend to practice with. Yes, here I have three options for you. First is ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT helps us to improve our communication skill, and nowadays I am using ChatGPT. It helps me to improve my communication skill and find my mistakes, and I can able to speak without getting frustration. ChatGPT helps to find new words for communication, and everything is available for ChatGPT. So I am recommend you to use ChatGPT to improve your communication skill. Second most important thing, which is YouTube. I am improving myself with the help of watching YouTube videos, and I feel it's very comfortable zone to improve, to listen. Listening is a very important. Until you listen, you will never get chance to speak fluent. So listening plays a very important role in our life. Please watch YouTube videos, whatever you want to watch. Just watch it carefully and speak it out loud. No matter how do you practice and how do you start, fluency will not comes in a day. Fluency will comes with your consistency. How do you practice every day, and how do you insert your important time on that particular skill? That will really matters to improve your communication skill. Third most important thing, which is diary. Every day, everywhere you can also go with your daily diary. Yes, I have one small diary, and every day when I wake up, I start writing on it. Every whatever I did yesterday, whatever I will do today, whatever I will do tomorrow, everything I wrote it down my diary. Today I will also write my diary, and it's very easy to use, and it's very easy to carry out in any place where you want to go with your diary, and try to find out small sentence, and try to figure out the importance of that particular area, and describe things whatever you can see there. So this is how I am practicing every day. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit